Hey there. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into something really useful for parents and guardians, Firestick parental controls. Whether you're worried about what your kids might stumble upon or simply want to manage screen time, Firestick's parental controls give you the power to customize what's accessible. Let's get started. 1. Understanding parental controls. First off, let's explore where to find these controls. Go to your Firestick settings menu. Here, under Preferences, you'll find the Parental Controls option. Click on it. 2. Setting up parental controls. Now, you can create a PIN. This PIN will be your key to manage what your kids watch. Make sure it's something memorable, but not too obvious. 3. Content restrictions. Firestick offers various levels of content restrictions. You can filter based on age ratings, block purchases, and even disable access to certain apps. Simply toggle the settings according to your preferences. 4. Time controls. Worried about screen time? Firestick lets you set time limits. Great for ensuring homework gets done. Adjust these settings to encourage a healthy balance. 5. Viewing history and usage reports. Curious about what your family's been watching? Firestick keeps a detailed history. It's a handy way to stay informed and make adjustments as needed. 6. Troubleshooting and tip. If you forget your PIN or need to change settings, don't worry. Just head back to the Parental Controls menu and follow the prompts. And remember, it's always good to have open conversations with your kids about what they watch. Conclusion. And there you have it. Firestick parental controls in a nutshell. Easy to set up, powerful in use. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.